Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video of the Nokia Lumia 635. I bought this on eBay a couple days ago and it finally came. So let's get it out of the box here. First off, got user guide, some other papers here that are not important that you can just throw off to the side. Now we get into the good part. Some more papers. Set that aside. All right. Here we go. Now, here's the front, the back. Let's take this protective covering off. Okay. Take this front cover off. Alrighty, so let's see what else is in here. Another user guide. Another little pamphlet. The charger. And the battery. Alright, done with that. Let's get the battery here out. Alright. Got the battery. Alright, so now let's put the battery in. Alright, so I took the back cover off here, and we can see here that we need to put the battery in. But before I do that, I'm going to put my SIM card in. Alright, so I've put my SIM card in. And we'll put the battery in. Put the cover back on. And we'll see if it turns on. Okay. So I'm English United States. Okay, next. Accept. Just terms and agreement. I'll skip that for now. Okay, next. Recommended. Should be right. I'll sign in later. Alright. So now we'll just wait for this to install, and then we'll be back. Alright, now the apps are done installing. We'll push next. Alright, we're almost done. Click next again. And there we go. There's the home screen. And we're already getting some text messages in. Slide over. The control on this is really nice. I like the way it feels. The phone itself is the right size. Alright, we'll go into the settings. Alright, so there you go. There is the Nokia Lumia 635 Windows phone. Alrighty, thanks for watching.